Okay, so in today's learning session with Wayne, we covered analysis, which was a very interesting session. It looked at the individual learning needs, occupational learning needs, and organisational learning needs. And also the bit that I found very, very interesting was the comparison between maintenance and developmental requirements, as I think this is quite a big divide in my company where I work at the moment. A lot of the learning that gets requested and delivered at the moment in our company is very, I would say, knee-jerk, which is it's just maintenance really of there's a lot of requirements and regulations, health and safety things that need to be met and kept in place. So it's only kind of that training, that immediate knee-jerk training that needs to be that gets the concentration really, that gets put in place immediately. It's the longer term, like development and things being part of a longer kind of career path that often get missed off. I looked at using PESTLE, one of the analysis models, and also SWOT, which I intend to use to have a look at some of those learning requirements as well going forward. So some of the training that we're doing with PESTLE, we'll be able to look at the try and link some of the training that we're doing to the wider organisational goals and have a look at what's going on in the world with social trends and changes in technology and disruption, AI, RPA and things like that, and then also try and look at SWOT analysis as part of our training delivery as well. With the knee-jerk training that I was talking about previously, in this example that's in the study guide for this particular session, I was quite drawn to these matrices, tables of what training has been done and when. We have an awful lot of training records that are very similar to this in our company at the moment. The problem that I have with this is obviously with the top one, we've just got ticks in boxes. It doesn't tell us when this was done, and more importantly, it doesn't tell us, it doesn't have a defined context or a criteria that the assessment itself or the scoring is based on. We've got 0, 1, 2 and 3 there in the lower table. You presume that number 3 is perhaps top scores, but in fact it could actually be 10. So there's no context around this this as a table or as a training record sheet, if you like. We have an LMS which is going into place in our company at the moment, whether people like it or not. That's happening anyway, which is going to be really, really good for us as a learning delivery centre, because it enables us to link everything together. So all of these modules and scores will be linked to a specific training module, which you can go through and check what those people covered as part of training, which is going to be fantastic for us. Okay, and that's it for today.